Well, hi guys and welcome, and today on this channel we're going to be doing some sublimation of shell pendants and these really gorgeous shell earrings. So if this is something that you'd like to watch, learn or do yourself, just keep on watching. Okay, so first up, to do these polished natural pearl shell, they're the little earrings. There's like a diamond shape. They already come with the holes in them. They're very shiny, and they are a natural freshwater pearl polished shell. That's for the pendant. And these are the little oval shaped ones. Also come with the little earring findings already, and a chain for the pendants. So this is something that you could do, if you like, as a gift for someone, if you have sublimation, that is. I use the Epsom DS transfer purpose paper. It's really good. I've got heat gloves and I have my heat tape, and having it in this is really good. It saves so much time. Okay, so I have printed out and I have cut out, and what I've done, I've printed out my print at the 3.5 centimeters, which you can see is 3.5 centimeters there, and that's the right size. So I need 2 because we need to do the back and the front. I don't know how many times I've printed one thing out forgetting the back. And the same with these. These are the little diamond shell earrings, and I've printed them so that they're going to have plenty of room around the outside of them as well. 2 on each earring, so they're ready to go. And then I have done the different shape for this shape. So putting the different shape makes it fit just right. I don't have too many dramas. I don't know how other people do it, but I never have any problems when I do it like this. So yes, we're all ready to fire up the heat press. Checking this, I wanted it 187 or 185, sorry, but I want the timer for 180 seconds. Doesn't really matter with this one, and I'll just place it right there. There's plenty of room. I don't stick on there, I just turn it over and then I will stick it over the top. Then we put that down there and stick that down. Some people do put the tape on the other way, which, well, I've never actually tried taping this down here, which I might do this time. I have seen people do it. They do this so that it doesn't move, so maybe that could work. And we'll place that one on there. And stick this one down. I've also got this one, so this one can go on here. a little bit of tape on here so that it doesn't move. Turn it over. Put this one on here. Whoops. Oh, lucky I did stick it down. Otherwise it would have moved then. Put that down. Then we'll get this one. Doesn't really matter the design on this. So we'll stick this one down. So I like to do quite a lot when I do this because you've got your heat press going. You don't really want to waste your power. So put this one down. And we will do the last one. I won't stick that one on there. I'll just see how I go. I'm actually very used to just holding it in position. I just hold it. I'll flip it, back the tape on, stick it down. Okay, so they're all ready to go. So now I'll just cover it over with another piece and we're ready to go. Oh yes, and they are gorgeous. They have all worked out absolutely beautiful. Look at that. They've got that real shine, that shell, and the design. They're beautiful, especially in the light. They have a real gleam. So they've worked out perfect. So yeah, I'll let them cool and I'll do the other side. And I will do a whole heap of others as well, but I will show you how we put these together next. Oh yes, beautiful. It looks like I can't imagine why any wouldn't work. They always work if you do that temperature. Beautiful gloss. Oh my God, they're just so nice.
So your tears been running like a waterfall. Thought the stars would never let you down, and you keep on thinking you can save yourself.
So here are all the finished pendants, and I've just grabbed the chain and it's got a little bail on the end of it here. So you just need some pliers to just pull them apart. It's not really hard. It's just a bit too hard to do with your fingers. Just pull it apart wide enough so that you can pop it through the hole. It is a bit fiddly, but if you get it through the hole and push it in and then the easiest way I find is just to squeeze it really tight. Just squeeze it in there together. And yeah, there's me squeezing pretty tight. And yeah, it goes through and will be set. You'll be right. It's a lovely little necklace. So when they give you the earrings, they give you these findings, and they're actually no good. If I put this on here, it will swing around and be side on. It won't be front on. So I purchase and use front facing hooks. So when I put this on, it will always face to the front. So here I just grab a jump ring and we'll add it to the shepherd's hook and then thread it through the hole on the earring using the pliers. It's all a little bit fiddly. It's not my favourite job. I do find it a bit of a chore. But yeah, once you do it, you're done. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget, if you did, please give it a like, give it a thumbs up, subscribe if you want to see more videos, and happy crafting and making.